Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install WeChat desktop app in Windows. So let's get started. For this, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store. Open it, and in the Microsoft Store you'll be having the search. Here just search for WeChat and we'll be having the WeChat app. Click it. Click on install. So it's about 225 MB in size. Just be patient for a while. It will show you a pop-up. Just click on yes and the installation process will begin. So once it is installed, we'll be getting this installed message, and in the desktop also we'll be having a shortcut. Just open it and just take your phone and scan this QR and you can directly log in into the desktop app. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.